As of now, we learned about how empathy can help in sales, marketing, or while negotiating. Now we will learn about the neuroscience behind empathy. Today's topic is mirroring the mind. When we witness what happens to others, we don't just activate the visual cortex, we also activate our own actions as if we had been acting in similar ways. We activate our own emotions and sensations as if we felt the same. Observing another person's action, pain, or affect can trigger parts of the same neural networks responsible for executing those actions and experiencing those feelings firsthand, said Christian Cases of Netherlands Institute for Neuroscience in Amsterdam, together with Valeria Gazzola, to explore whether the motor mirror system helps us understand the inner states behind the actions of others. Cases in one study asked participants to watch a video of a person grasping toy balls hidden within a large bin. In one condition, participants determined whether or not the person in the video hesitated before selecting a ball. Very rapidly, we got this unifying notion that when you witness the states of others, you replicate these states in yourself as if you were in their shoes, which is why we call these activities vicarious states. Studies have suggested that this ability to mentalize the experiences of others so vividly can lead us to take pro-social steps to reduce their pain. But Cases also wanted to investigate the depth of the emotional contagion, how and to what extent we experience other people's suffering. To do this, Caster Lab studied human psychopaths. While witnessing the pain of others is correlated with activity in the insula, which is thought to contribute to self-awareness by integrating sensory informations, and the anterior cingulate cortex, which is associated with decision-making and impulse control. The researchers found that psychopaths who passively observed an aggressor twisting someone's hand exhibit significantly less brain activity than their neurotypical peers. When the psychopathic individual were asked to attempt to empathize with the person in the video, however, their brain activity increased to baseline levels. Psychopaths are probably equally high on ability. It's just that they don't recruit this spontaneously, so their propensity is modified.